I am on TikTok live. Damn boy, you're early. Just 8 people in the audience. Yo, relax. Why no TikTok live? I'm on TikTok right now. Um, guys, I have a life, by the way. I have a life. The only reason I trade is to have freedom. You gotta remember. You gotta remember. Um, relax, relax. It's just dogs. Relax. Why are you scared? Calm down. Calm down. You're safe. Are you fasting tomorrow? Yes, I am. How are you using Tradify? If I can use it like that. Well, I've been having this account, and Dizzy, I gotta be twice on NQ longs. You got break even. I'm good. Tradify on Project X, long time ago, bro. Turn the music off. It's Ramadan, bro. Gang, tomorrow's Ramadan. Relax. Relax. Sin is so bad he sells every day. Yo, no, Sin is goaded. Yo, let's get rip in the chat for the Porsche. Yo, the Porsche is still alive, gang. Eddie got banned on TikTok? Why? Like a pussy little bitch. Alright. You can go now. Bye bye. Come on. Come on. No. 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 See what happened to Eddie? I don't know. Hold up. Let me show you guys what the fuck. What the move that I caught earlier. Bro, longest trade of my life. Longest trade of my life. Like, dude, holy shit. Longest motherfucking trade of my like, what the fuck, dude? Like a pussy little bit. Look at this bullshit. Look at this bullshit. Bro, we entered down here. Look at this shit. Fucking bottom ticked it, okay? Off that demand that I saw. We entered here. Holy shit, dude. Hold up. Maybe you guys can't see this in, here. I'll show you guys in this right here. Right here. And TP was at 18. 18 is right here. Longest motherfucking trade on this bitch. Yo, this demand right here. This demand. Right here. This. We were rejected previously off of it once. And this is the second rejection. Expecting the third rejection. We kind of pushed down. Kind of broke it, but I did like that reaction. Were you live on the Discord? No, I took that on my own. I took that trade on my own. But yeah, so I took that, and then it came back, retested that same level once, twice, then pushed up. Here, you could have had a better entry right here, or right here at this right here, honestly. But I would have entered like right here. But this kind of move, oh my God, bro. Ages. Took ages. And look at the fucking position history this week, okay? I got fried. Cash history? Wait, what? Order? No, how to... Performance? Wait. All right. Okay, here it is. Look. This is for the month, okay? This is for the month. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, boys. Look. Okay, we booked this on the 4th of this month. We booked 3,000. We lost 1,000. The next day, we booked another 1,000 payout. And then I went on my vacation. Actually, before vacation. Cool? Before vacation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Fucking 6. I lost 6 days in a row. 6 days in a motherfucking row, okay? Trading this account. 1, 2. Look at the balance. It was at 56, right? I took a payout here. And okay, so I took a payout. It dropped it to, obviously it's 1,000 payout. So it dropped it to 57 or 56,936. Then I lost. Or here. Then I lost the second day. And I lost. 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 I lost 6K. Almost 6K. Look at this fucking slippage. 3 fucking hundred. 3 fucking hundred slippage. And I made 6K. 6K back on fucking gold. Holy shit, dude. Bro. What the fuck? So, P&L for that account right now, we made 6,000 today on it. Whew. That was... Holy shit, dude. So we're eligible for a payout. Tomorrow. So that's the good thing about it. Thank you guys for the follow. Appreciate you. Oversleep? No, I had to do something. Now I know you were stressing when it came back and drawdown. Bro, yes. Well, yeah, bro. What the fuck? I've taken 7 payouts from this account. I've taken 7 payouts from this account, like daily payouts. Are they moving into live? No. I'm moving to live on my Top Step account. I'm still waiting. I'm still paused. I was monitoring it, like, I was looking at Top Step. That's how I kind of took the position, but I'm still paused. Still paused on Top Step. Still waiting. We got fucking 85,000 or 86,000 just in the fucking in the bank, and I can't trade even Top Step. I'm just fucking waiting for them to activate it. Is the max payout on for the daily 1,000 on a 50K account? Yes. Hey. They won't give you 85K in your live. I mean, we'll see. We'll see what happens, honestly. We'll see what happens. I wanted to trade my other account, which is this one. I have a select account that I need to make 2,000 on. It's kind of took a trade on it, so let's do this. Take it off the screen. Let's try to. Okay, we broke the 4 hour to the top side here. I want to expect a short now. I want to see a short move, possibly. Okay, that's a good kind of level here to be retracing from. That's an insane level here. That's a big fucking level. Or we can be this one. So I'm interested in sells right here. We're already seeing the weakness here, but I'm interested in sells. What is silver doing? Silver is... Have you ever heard of Tradesy? No. I like the shorts. I like the shorts. Fuck, I like the shorts. But like, oh, fuck. I like the shorts. I wanna... If we can come down to this level. Okay, that's a nice push up right here. I might start a position here soon for the shorts. Okay, so I'm gonna start a position right here. I'm gonna put my stops up here for now. Gotta remember this. We are currently very bullish, so I'm trying to catch this strong move down. So I have this level that I would be worried about right here. So this level, and then I would want it to come down all the way down here. Personally, I might take some contracts out here, just depending on how we react right here, if I can get add. But so far I'm just gonna keep it here. I want to see a strong weakness because like this is not the best entry here. That's why I'm sizing light. And I want to kind of give it some room. I want to give it some room. We have a new 30. So a bit of a rushed entry here, I say, but that's fine. We're sizing light, so it's good. It's all good. Like that reaction again off that same level here that we're not breaking it. This is high of day right here, so okay, I'm gonna add 2 more here. I'm gonna add 2 more to my position. So we have 5. We're risking 500 up there, but I don't want to keep my stops up there though. That's huge. That's huge of a stop loss. Bro, what the fuck? That's 11-point stops. Bro, this trade is gonna take forever. Okay, we break the 5 minute here to the downside. I'll add like 3 more. I want this 5 to break to the downside though. So I'll add 5, we break to the downside. Why am I zoomed in like hella? No, it's not that because I don't have it. I need a haircut. I need to go get a haircut because I'm growing my hair. So this phase of me growing my hair is gonna look insane. All right, it's gonna look all over the place. Yeah, this is high of day right here. What's TP? I have TP all the way down here so far. So have it at 4887.1. That's for now though. Depending on how much we add to this trade, I might put it here because that is insane. But so far, silver is pushing up here. Introduction. I'm Justin. React. Should have nothing. All right, I want to see a push down here. Oh my god. Whoa, silver. Silver is pushing up insane here. Silver is pushing up like crazy right now. Got me on my phone. Okay, breaking high of day again. Breaking high of day again. I can't believe we cut the fucking 4 hour down here. This is just a fucking big ass supply. Okay. Waiting for the 30-minute to flip. I'm expecting this 30 to flip on gold. This 30. I'm expecting it to flip. What's your stop loss? I have my stops right here at 49, 31.3. I'm expecting this to flip. I'm expecting this 30 to flip to bearish. Really, if it does flip to bearish, the next magnitude, and this closes bearish right here, this 30-minute closes bearish, and we close like, we hold this level and we close down here, that would be amazing for the new 4 hour to open. Bro, I need a haircut. Holy. I am fried. You're playing with silver confirmation. Well, I don't have a set TP right now. I have it down here right now. It's not really set, but it will be moved. Depending if I add to this position, it will be moved to up here, or I can just take partials out here. I'm looking to add 3 more, making it 8 in total, but I want to see a confirmation, obviously, before I do. I don't want to just add and then it ends up going against me. So this could be a really good add right here if this 1 minute breaks to the downside of this hammer. But if it doesn't, then I'm just gonna wait. Silver is still pushing up. Okay. Add 3 more here. That makes our TP 2,600. I'll take 5 out here at this level and then leave the rest to run. I like this inside bar right here. I like that break of it. I want it to hold. Like I said, I'm expecting a flip on this 30. Say love for me. Say love for me. Today, what did they make in a life? Is it kids unpaid? Where is Turbo? Turbo's still, he's on the flight right now. He's coming back. He should be on the flight coming back right now. I mean, day, what they making in life? Out of my face. Why are you shorting a bullish trend? Because I'm trying to catch a reversal. I want to see us break this 5-minute to the downside. 4. Yo, it's a Z shit. It's a Z shit. Can you really see? Can you do it? Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fried. Fly private jet with the bride. It's a Z shit. Still waiting. Silver is stuck. Silver is not moving. I don't want to see a break of this 5 to the top side. PA slowing down, I know. Came on too late. Come on. Another retest. It doesn't like it's right here. It's refusing to break high of day again. So this is a really good sign for me that it's refusing to break high of day. Which is a really good sign for me. It's a really good sign, but I want to see aggression on the sells. I want to see aggression. Every time I am around, I have my TP address. Oh, okay, good luck. Good luck. Don't revenge it. That's my first trade. Worry about this. What's the confluence to add this trade? So we tapped into the supply zone. We tapped into the supply that we have, that I have marked out right here. And I'm seeing some rejection come in at that zone right here. Especially on that 1 minute, you can see that we started to see rejection at these lows. And I added to my position right at that break of that 1 minute to the downside. All right. That's a nice push down I want to see right here. So I'm gonna add 2 more here. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 more, and then And then at this level, I'm gonna take 3 out. This is 3,000 right now, so I'm gonna take 3 out right here. So we're risking 1,000 so far on this trade. As soon as we clear this level right here, we hit TP, that stops is coming down for sure. You fasting tomorrow? Inshallah, yes. Okay, silver is pushing too. So really good here on silver, push down. Good rejection on this 15 too, the first 5 minute of the 15. I just want to see it hold. This 5 minute is good too, but I want to see it hold underneath this level. I want it to kind of close underneath this previous 5 below it. If we can close around my entry here, that would be really nice. Like I said, I'm expecting this 30 to flip, guys. I'm expecting this 30 to flip. Okay, that's good. That's good. This 5 minute is good so far. We want it more down though. I want it to close more down. Okay, nice. We're holding. We're holding these level pretty good. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That's good. That's a good close. That is a really good close. We want the continuation now, though. We want to see that continuation for that drop. We don't want to see it go. We don't want to see it go back up, because we got 9 more minutes for this new hourly 4-hour to open up. So we don't want to get stopped out on that. For the hourly creating the top wick, I don't want to get stopped on that or the 4-hour. Okay, immediate push up. What the fuck? Whoa. What's this? What's that, brother? We gotta check the high time frame. We're bullish. I know. I do check it. 4-hour is bullish. Hourly is bullish. 30-minute is bullish. I also took a trade earlier on this. I took a trade on this account earlier. I took a trade on this account that I made 6K on for the bullish move. So I know we're bullish. I literally booked money on the bullish trade today. So I know. But I'm trying to catch that retracement down, because I do see that retracement down. What? That's not good. Do you copy trade Z? No, I don't. Risking 1K to make how much? To make 3,000. Probably not 3,000, because I'm gonna take some money out. With no makeup, she a 10. Somebody, I mean, somebody who I won't. Stop loss too tight? No, it's not, bro. It's 10 points. Stops is 10 points. We have 4 minutes for this 4 hour and this new hourly to open up. Bro, I'm so hot right now. Hold up, guys. Let me go change. Let me change it to some shorts and some freaking a little bit something not oversized. Hold up, I'll be back. Oh my god. Gang, why are you breathing so hard? Alright. Immediate band. For Dak Ash, immediate band. Immediate band. Immediately. See you when I don't see you. You're out. Blocked. He's gone. He's gone. Don't talk about my mom like that, the fuck? Bro, you lost? No, I didn't. We're still in the trade. Ramadan Mubarak to you too. Bro, read my shit. What's your shit? Yo, yo, Ziz, Ramadan Kareem, you're going too fast? Yes, I am. It's gonna be hard this year though, because I'm alone. It's gonna be hard. But we'll get through it. We'll get through it. You Lebanese? No, 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 no. I'm from Iraq, Iraq. Iraq. Okay. Here's that push up. I'm Muslim. Muslim. Alhamdulillah. What did I say? Huh? we're out of that. Let's check. Right. Okay. Okay. Well, that was what I was worried about, honestly. Just that 4 hour not holding, or that 30 not holding the shorts. So far, silver is pushing up like fucking crazy right now. Ba, 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 da, da, ba, 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 ba. Shoot. If you Bro, I'm still seeing shorts. I'm still seeing shorts. Okay, bro, silver is pushing down aggressively. Silver is pushing down off the supply. So silver is pushing down off this supply right here. Who's that creeping through the window? Window. Before you come outside, I got the info. I'm 4 micro shorts at 49.24. 49.24. 49.24 all the way down here. Okay. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Silver is reacting good. So I'm probably gonna add 5 if we break this to the downside right here, because I like how we're reacting on this supply. Obviously, we pushed high of day, we rejected from it immediately, and then now we have some bearish candles right here. So I might add. Give it a sec. Give it a sec. Okay, so 5 here. This is kind of a better stop because I could just put it above this supply that I want, and I can target what I wanted earlier, which is these lows right here. I'm obviously looking to add more because this is just, we're risking 200 on this. But I want to see how silver reacting off that level that we just tapped into. which is this one right here. And I want to see how gold reacts here. Because I don't want to take unnecessary kind of positioning. I don't want to add to unnecessary positions. If this 1 minute breaks a 3 to the downside here, I will add 5 more to my position and let it be. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna keep this so far right there. We have a 5 minute kind of fail to up right here, which looks pretty good for us. Not the best because it didn't close red, obviously, but so far so good. I like this level right here because we're seeing some crazy buys right here. We saw some crazy push for the buys. As soon as we entered this zone, we started seeing some bearish candles, which that tells me that sellers are kind of stepping in, buyers are getting weaker, and then we're seeing some bearish candles at this level. And then we saw this bearish inside bar right here, broke to the downside, and that's where it kind of took my first positioning right there. But we just gotta wait. So far, 5 micros on this position. Not bad of a position so far. It's good. Like I said, potentially I could add more to it because I'm still seeing it bearish. Even though the high time frame is bullish, I'm with you guys on that. I do see that. Obviously, I'm not blind. I do see that, guys. I do see that. You know, like I'm seeing it. 4 hours bullish, hourly is bullish, 30 minute is bullish, 15 is bullish, 5 minute is bullish. Like all the time frames, they're bullish. The high time frames are bullish, but you check the low time frames. The low time frames are kind of they're setting up good for those shorts. So, and I do want to try it. Not bad. I take reversals. Most of my trades are reversal trades, and that's where I look for. So far, I'm gonna look at the 3 minute. Kind of 3 minute is setting up nicely here. I want to take a look at that and monitor that a little bit. I'm not reading the chat right now. I'm trying to focus on this position. I want to really get a good add-in to this position if we get that. So far, okay, it's nice. That's good. Okay, I want to add 5 here. Easy add 5. Easy add 5. Inside bar right here on the 3 minute broke to the downside. We also broke the mother bar to the downside here. Easy 5. We need to hold this level though. So 3000 TP, that's not bad. Do like this position. Let me go ahead and alert it on the Discord. I do like this position. NGC shorts. I like this position better than the first one. Even if we get stopped on it, that is okay. But I do like this position. So our entry is at 932 and our stop loss at 937.4. 37.4. Why do I put comma? 0.4. Okay. Alright, so good. I like that reaction. I like how silver is reacting off that level too. So far we are at 20 ticks right here. Well, not bad. Not bad. I might stay on this 3 minute for a little bit here. It's kind of moving cleaner than all the other time frames. Kind of gonna look at the 3 minute and the 5 minute. We broke this 5 minute to the downside, so that's pretty nice. My TP is all the way down at 897.5 on this trade. So far we are down 1,065. Habibi, what's your daily loss limit on this account? It's 2,500. Reversals happen on lower time frame first. Exactly. How does the growth funded work? Basically, it's a 1 day pass. It's a 1 day pass. You can open it. You can pass it in 1 day. Activate it. It has 35% consistency rule. So I'm risking 540 on this trade to make 3,450. Let me see if our stops is at a good level. I mean, really good level, honestly. Like, I'm not even mad about that level. I'm not mad about that level. Could see a potential retest right here on this 1 minute. Well, it is a little bit tight, you could say. Yes, it is tight because we could just break high up day and like kind of spike up, then push back down. We could really see that, but I mean, still 500. 500 is still a lot, by the way. We get stopped out, I'm probably gonna call it a day because we're already down 1,000. We'll be down 1,500, so probably I'll call it a day if we do get stopped out on this one, and just come back tomorrow because we did come on late, so kind of the move and the market kind of slowed down a little bit. But yeah, bro, you always lose money. Yeah, I lose and I make money though. I lose, but I make money at the same time. So that's how trading is, gang. You gotta win more than you lose. That's the whole point. You gotta win more than you lose. You lose more than you make? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? I have never seen your account in green. Well, I have some accounts in green if you want to see it, but like at the same time, you're gonna tell me, oh, well, this account is not in green. So, like, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to tell you? I can't prove them wrong because like if I switch to another account, they're gonna be like, oh, it's another account. It's not the same account. But like, you know what I mean? Like they'd be like, oh, he's flexing another account. Oh, he's like, I think you gamble and the revenge trade during New York, bro. Ask the Discord. I'm always on Discord during New York. Ask them. Do I do that? Ask them. Please ask them. Brother, how the hell you not lose this account? It's always red. Because most of the days that I lose during Asia, I end up coming back during New York on it. Most of the days. Ugh. Boys, our post reached 100K, boys. On Insta. Our post reached 100K on Insta, boys. Wow, this is tough. Boys, so when do you think we're gonna be moved to live? When do you guys think we're gonna be moved to live on this account? When do you guys think we're gonna be moved to live? Soon? A month? Fuck you mean? On the day of the 6th payout? What do you mean? Wait, what? I have 4 payouts on this. Did you hit SL? No, we're still in that trade. I have 4 payouts on this, so I have... Yeah, so I requested 4 payouts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holy shit, we just got stopped. Ugh. That's so smashed, yeah. Ugh. Bro, I've been on a mad losing streak for Asia, making me feel like I can't trade. What I usually do is to bounce back from back losses. Dude, um, look, it happens. It's part of trading, gang. First of all, it's part of trading. Like, you can't just fucking not lose, you know? With losing, you just gotta know how to go about it. Like I showed the people earlier. I don't know if you were here. Um, I showed the fucking the orders from this month. Is it this one? No. Anyways, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want 6 losses in a row on this account that I've taken payout from it. Are you trading in the morning tomorrow? Yes, I'll trade in the morning. I went on a 6-day losing streak on this account from this. And this account I have taken multiple payouts from. So I've taken 7 payouts from this account by itself. And you know, one day, just take a good trade. One day brought it back. How do you go about losing streaks? Honestly, when it comes to like just kind of beginners or whatever, the best thing you can do is just like downsize, cut your contract, cut your risk in half, and kind of downsize. When you get back on that winning spree, that win streak again, because losing streaks are bound to happen. A lot of people that, um, a lot of people that go on a winning streak, they already know that a losing streak is bound to happen. A losing streak is gonna come. Either you like it or you don't. It happens. It happens. It happens. You know, but the way to go about it when you are on this losing streak, you just gotta know, you gotta understand, you gotta be self aware that, oh shit, you are losing. You need to stop fucking sizing in so heavy. You need to stop risking so much. So you downsize. I booked a win on my other account, which I'll be eligible for a payout tomorrow on it. So that gave me kind of the motivation to hop on here and trade this account like normal. And we also booked on this account yesterday. We booked on this account yesterday. We booked 2,800 on a day yesterday. And I felt confident into just popping up and trading this account. I just know that I have been taking losing trades in front of 1,000 people or 1,500 people every day for the past 6 days. For the past 6 days, You're taking these losses by yourself, so it's easier to hide them and not have people judge you. I'm taking these losses in front of 1,500 people. So I have them just people fucking judging me, talking down on me, and talking so much shit every single day about me. You know, that's the good thing about like you being in a Discord, you know, you being to yourself and taking these losses. Yes, it's still fucked up because you're taking those losses, but in the end of the day, you're kind of doing it on your own. You know what I mean? So you can shift that and train that by yourself, because if you have people in front of you that are talking so much bad about you, talking you down so much every single day for the past 6 days that I've been trading on live, which really shouldn't be, you know, I shouldn't be trading for live, but this is entertainment for me. This is entertainment, and I do it because I like to do it. I like to engage with you guys, and I like to fucking kind of show the way I trade, you know? And people will always be negative. People will always hate. And when you have haters, that means you're doing something right. In the end of the day, you're in a Discord and you see people profiting, are profitable, right? You're seeing those people booking profits from the same strategy that you are learning, meaning that the strategy works. That the strategy works. You just gotta understand what are you doing wrong that is making you keep losing. You gotta like slow down, look back, and see what are you doing wrong. What I'm doing wrong is clear, even to me, but I keep fucking doing it. You know, because even though that I'm saying I'm trading in front of 1,500 people and it's like barely affecting me, but bro, it does. It does fuck with my head, you know? It does fuck with my head. Because when I see these negative comments, I always want to fucking catch an insane move that shut them up, all of them. All of them just quiet, you know? And I've been trying to chase that top tick, that bottom tick so bad when I never do that. I personally never fucking chase that because that's not the point of trading. But that is my mistake. And I understand that. But I'm still doing it because of the negativity that I've been getting for the past like 6 days. Since I've been on a vacation, I've been getting that pass for 6 days. So the thing about it is that is my mistake. My mistake is I'm trying to catch a good trade so I can shut everybody up. And that's what I'm doing wrong. And that's what I'm doing wrong. I should have stick to myself and stick to the way I trade, which is I don't need to beat the market. I don't need to beat the market. I need to wait because all the trades, if you watch me and you understand how I trade, for example, if right now Zucci, you have Zucci and Rayan. If those two people lock in on the way that I trade, they're gonna tell you that's the same thing. Because I have always waited for a retest. Every single trade that I take it off supply and demand and the strat, and I wait for a second retest. And every single time I take that trade like that. But lately, for the past 6 days, I've been taking it purely off supply and demand zones and then hoping for the strategy to kind of give me confluences as soon as it goes. And that is my mistake. Because I'm not stacking up my confluences on the trade. I'm just going off one confirmation, which is completely fucking stupid, completely wrong. Right? It's completely wrong. I'm doing this completely wrong. And that is fucking me up, basically. Because I'm entering a trade off a supply zone or a demand zone with no retest of seeing first weakness into that trade, trying to catch that big move, but I'm getting beat more than me trying to catch that move. I'm kind of getting destroyed. I'm getting destroyed before catching that move. So what I need to do is Slow the fuck down. I don't need to beat the market. There's no need for me to beat the market. You live for money, you don't care about us? You're fucking tripping. Because if I didn't, I wouldn't be fucking talking like that to you. I would not be sitting here and trying to give you my mistake. Because me showing my weakness to 1,500 people is just bad on me. It looks bad on me. It doesn't look bad on you. It makes me be a shitty trader. Because I'm giving you my weakness. I'm giving you what I'm struggling with personally. So that is bad on me. If you think I don't care about sharing the information to you, bro, I fucking wouldn't. If I'm just trying to sell you something or kind of sell you the Discord, which I fucking never mention. If you want to join a Discord, you want to join it on your own, and that is your thing. But yes, there is a paid Discord. Yes, I do have that. But since bro, I have never. A lot of people in here don't even know that I have a fucking Discord unless they look at my bio. Because I never fucking mention it. I never mention it. And why I'm talking that way? Because I do care. I do care. If I didn't, I would say, well, fuck you. Yes, I have, bro. I would say, you know what? Fuck all of you. Look at this, bitch. Boom. I have a fucking 100K in balance. I'm getting fucking moved to live. My account is fucking paused. I've taken multiple payouts from this account. Also, I have another fucking account that I just booked fucking money. I just booked 6K on. What else the fuck you want? I'm taking a payout tomorrow. The fuck you want? Yes, I lost 1,500. But guess what? I'm taking a payout tomorrow. And I'm going live. On Top Step. Fucking beat that. It's paused for hedging? Alright, bitch. Hold up. Hold up. Let me make this guy look stupid real quick. Hold up. It's paused for hedging, he said. Top Step. He said it's paused for hedging. Your account is paused for hedging. Show you the fucking email. Hold up, because he never saw the email. He never saw the fucking email. Hold up. I wish I can just fucking show the email completely because, like, fuck, dude. Like, just has my name on it. That's a fucked up thing. Where is the email? Stop SIP live account call out. Where is the snippet tool? Oh my god. Oh yeah. Hold up. Did I just fucking leak my name? Anyways, I don't give a fuck. Anyways, here you go. Here you go. Yeah, because you can't. Look. Congratulations, you have been considered for a call up to a live funded account. Our team is now reviewing your account and your performance as we begin live funding process. So you're going to live. Yes. The fuck I've been saying. I can get that email. Get it. Please get it. Make an email right now, bro. That's the top step on it. And then make an email, please. Yes. Top step. And here's the other one. Here's the other message. Here's the other one. We are reaching out to let you know that your profit has been temporarily locked. The reason for the pause, transfer to live. Once we have completed review, we will send you an update to let you know if you need any additional information. You are clear to resume activity. We are working hard to minimize interruption and appreciate your patience. If you have any questions, read assistance and let us know. I can Google one. Alright, well, it can't be fucking helped. You're just a lost cause. You just can't be helped. Some people in life, they can't be helped, you know? Okay, so I usually trade supply and demand retest and the strat setup too, but it's been killing me recently and I have, alright, don't request, been killing me recently and I found that I have just been reading directional wrong most time I've been when I think I'm going with the trend. How can I fix that? Honestly, that's just looking at higher time frames. You just gotta look at higher time frames when it comes to that. When it comes to knowing direction. I mean, obviously, sometimes even with this fucking bullishness right here, I'm telling you, from what I'm seeing I'm seeing this going down. Eventually, I'm seeing it going down all the way to 48.97.1, at least, to that place. That's where I'm seeing it going down. And looking at higher time frames, like you can match. So look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour matches with the 15 minute, and the hourly matches with the 5 minute. So if you look at the 4 hour, look at the 15 minute, you're seeing like you gotta understand, like you can see the bullet, like how bullish we are, right? Like, don't be like me. Don't be like me. I'm a fucking moron, okay? Alright? Don't look at me. I'm a moron when it comes to this because I like to trade reversals. I don't like to trade with the trend. I like to, because it's more entertaining. It's more interesting for me to go a reversal. Catching a reversal, it's better for me. Right? And looking at the 4 hour and looking at the 15 minute, we can see, like, we clearly can see that we are in a bullish trend. And like I said multiple times, I see it bullish. I literally took a trade. I took a trade on this account. Hold up. Don't fucking trade it. I took a trade for a bullish move down here. I took a trade down here all the way up to here. So I know we are bullish. I get that. I know. But we are coming into zones that I'm interested in seeing us retracing back down. We are overbuying like crazy right now on gold. And I'm seeing it retracing back down. It's just trying to catch that good move when it retraces down, you know? Like, yes, it's draining to try to catch that move, but when you do, it's amazing. And then for 4 hour, look at the 15 minute. You can see clearly the direction we're going into. Then you go to the hourly and look at the 5 minute because they align together. And then from there, you can really start marking your like demand zones right there. For example, if you want to take it for a retracement back up, if we are trending like this, if we're trending like this, you're not gonna see us coming down to this level. Like after this push up, you're not gonna see us coming back down here, retesting this low and then coming back up. That's why I go on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, for example, you could see that sometimes those moves happen where it trades back, it trades up, and it trades back down, tapping into this zone like right here. We see it trending up. We have this demand zone right here on the 1 minute. Delete this. We created this demand zone on the 1 minute. We trade up, consolidate into that level. We push down right here. The final push down. You would still be in a trade right here. Like you would still be in it. Like let's say for example you take it right here. This is inside bar right here. You take it right here. For example, for the longs, right? After the reaction right here, or let's say you don't take it right here. You wait for this to create, right? You wait for this zone to be created. And then we tap into it. We tap into this demand. And then right here, let's say we're trading the market right now, and then we don't know the future. We don't know what's happening in the future, right? You see this right here inside, you end up taking your trades right there. You put your stop loss underneath that demand zone. And then you target the highs. You target the highs, whatever the highs are up there. With us breaking high of day, continually breaking high of day, you're gonna expect every time that we break it, we're gonna spike up. Every time we break it, right here, after we made the high of day, again, we spike up. We push down, right? We break it again right here, we spike up. We break it again right here. We spike up. That's how it's traded. That's how high of day is traded. And that's how you kind of catch those continuation moves. But I don't personally like to catch a continuation move. That's how I go about it. Zuzi, how do you stop the platform by having trade of 8 accounts? What do you mean? How do you stop simple have trade of 8 account? You can still do that. I have the same trade. Alright, well, that's it for me, guys. Are you currently using Top Step? Top Step, I'm paused on Top Step. I can't trade Top Step right now. I'm paused. Because they're moving me to live. One more? No, I'm not gonna take one more. I'm just gonna leave. We have 1,000 left on this account to kind of trade the New York session before it gets locked out. So, take one more. I'm gonna take 2 more trades during New York session on this account, and we'll see if we can kind of get that back. But I can open a select account and go for one more trade. I can open an account right now and go for one more trade. But how was dinner last night? It was amazing. It was good. It was really good. But yeah. Why is the week seems heavy and the other week size down? Because this is clearly the reason. The main purpose is to build a buffer. It's like it's clear as day right here. 1 week, it took me 1 week to build an insane buffer on this account, and then from there we just get base hits, base hits, base hits, base hits, until we reached that live account. Because that was the goal. The goal is to reach live account, and that's it. Where do you get the calendar? It's on Top Step. Okay. Alright, well, I'm tired as fuck. I'm tired as fuck. Blink 3 times if you are okay. I'm not okay, bro. I need help. I need to go rest. When do you get live accounts? I'm waiting right now for 5 days. It's been 5 days, so hopefully next week. What's the risk when building a buffer? Dude, I risked the whole account. I'm not even gonna lie to you. What national are you, ZZ? I'm Iraqi. From Iraq. Color tonight? I will, yeah. One more trade's easy. Don't listen to the haters. Most of them in the chat never got a payout. Can you show a model to enter into trades? I have been doing something wrong. I'm getting stopped out more frequently and blowing accounts more than I should be. Okay, so the way I go about it, like I said, I'm not following it myself. All right, I have not been following it myself, which is killing me too. It's not only you, gang. It's killing me too. Okay, so lately I have not been waiting for a retest. Where is Terrible? He should be back on tomorrow. He should be back on. I haven't been waiting for a retest when it comes to. You know what? That's enough for TikTok. It's enough for TikTok. It's enough for YouTube. I'll answer your question in the Discord. Let me hop off stream because this light is in front of my face. I'm looking at my face, bro. My face is getting cooked. My face is cooked. All right. Anyways, guys, people on TikTok, people on YouTube, guys, thank you for being in here. Thank you for the hate. It gets me engagement. Hey, appreciate you for being in here. If you're positive, hey, appreciate you for the support. And if you're a signal bot, you have been taking losing trades lately. That's why you're hating. You have been taking losing trades, and that's why you're hating. But when we're on a winning streak, and you're signal botting, and your signal bots hit, you glaze the fuck out of us. Just remember that, right? You're never gonna talk down about us when we're winning because you're winning too. But when we're losing, you're gonna hate us because you know, that's how it is. But I'm sorry, signal bots, for losing. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. We'll come back strong. I'm fully locked in now. Fully back. I was on a vacation. Still recovering from that vacation. But fully locked in. We're back at it. We're going to be back going to the gym and shit. I haven't been to the gym. Oh my god, Ramadan is tomorrow. Woo! Holy. It's going to be difficult. Wait. What time is Maghrib? Hold up. Wait, Maghrib is at 5? What? 5:41? Maghrib is at 5? Bro. Nah. Bro, if you're not fasting this year, I don't know what the fuck are you doing. Bro, if you are not, bro, if, okay, all I'm saying, if you are not fasting and if you are in Texas, I'm fasting every day. If you are in Texas and you're not fasting, oh, it just switched up. Hold up. It just switched up. It just switched up. Even, bro, what the fuck? Astaghfirullah. Even the Salah is switching up on us. What's going on? Why is Salah moving like GC? Why did it go from 541 to 617? The fuck? Why are we getting edged? Fasting while trading is gonna be tough. Have you been to Houston? I used to live in Houston, yeah. Ramadan Mubarak for all of you guys. Alright, anyways. Hey, guys, appreciate you for being in here. I will see you guys tomorrow. Unfortunately, I was reading the market completely wrong today. It's my fault. My bad on that. Ramadan Mubarak for everybody. Kul aam tum bkhair. Ramadankum Mubarak. And I hope inshallah, we survive this Ramadan, you know. Hope everything goes well for you. Keep your prayers, guys. Keep praying. Keep praying. Do not miss out on your prayers because these are the most important thing. It's holy month. Holy month. Please do not skip your prayers. And inshallah, this Ramadan goes smoothly. You know, just goes smoothly. And yeah. And inshallah, God, you know, يبعد الhaters. Gets away the, actually, no. La. Keep the haters. Alhamdulillah, keep the haters. I'm good. Keep the haters. The haters are gonna get me up there. La. Keep the haters. I don't want to change anything in my life. Alhamdulillah. I just want to keep going up. I just want to keep scaling in my life. And that's it. That's it. That's all I need. Haters, no haters. Love, no love. It's okay. I'm doing my own thing. You know what I mean? Anyways, appreciate you guys for being in here. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, we're done. Ameen. Ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. Always. Peace out, everybody.